Unlocking Success: Simple Steps to Achieve Your Dreams, English Listening for B1 Learners. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the concept of success. Success, a word that resonates differently with each individual, carries a multitude of meanings and interpretations. For some, it's the attainment of wealth and fame, while for others, it might be finding happiness and fulfillment in life. Let's delve into this topic and uncover the various facets of success. Success is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It varies greatly depending on cultural backgrounds, personal values, and life experiences. Understanding what success means to different people opens our minds to the diverse perspectives and definitions that exist. At the core of achieving success lies the crucial practice of goal setting. Goals serve as the roadmap towards our desired outcomes, guiding our actions and decisions. But setting effective goals goes beyond mere wishes. It involves creating SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This method ensures that our goals are concrete and attainable, increasing our chances of success. Motivation plays a pivotal role in our journey towards success. It fuels our ambition and drives us to take action. Without motivation, even the most well-defined goals may remain unattained. However, it's important to recognize that motivation alone is not enough. It must be coupled with persistence and determination. These qualities act as the backbone of our endeavors, allowing us to push through obstacles and setbacks. Time management is another critical skill for success. Effectively managing our time enables us to prioritize tasks, allocate resources efficiently, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. By mastering time management, we can maximize our productivity and minimize stress. Challenges and obstacles are inevitable on the path to success. Whether it's a setback or a failure, how we respond to these challenges defines our journey. Cultivating self-confidence empowers us to face adversity with resilience and bounce back stronger than before. Maintaining a positive mindset is equally important. Optimism not only enhances our mental well-being but also attracts opportunities and success. It allows us to see setbacks as temporary setbacks and motivates us to keep moving forward. Education and continuous learning are invaluable assets on our quest for success. They broaden our horizons, sharpen our skills, and open doors to new possibilities. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity is essential. It teaches us valuable lessons, strengthens our resilience, and fuels personal growth. Adaptability and flexibility are key qualities in navigating the ever-changing landscape of life. By embracing change and adjusting our strategies accordingly, we can stay agile and seize opportunities that come our way. Strong problem-solving and communication skills are indispensable tools for success. They enable us to navigate challenges effectively, collaborate with others, and convey our ideas persuasively. Mentors and role models serve as sources of inspiration and guidance. Learning from their experiences and insights can provide valuable lessons and shortcuts on our journey towards success. Success stories of individuals who have overcome adversity and achieved their dreams serve as beacons of hope and motivation. By studying their paths, we can gain valuable insights and inspiration for our own journeys. Balancing personal and professional goals is essential for holistic success. It ensures that we lead fulfilling lives both in and out of the workplace. Prioritizing health and wellness is paramount. A healthy body and mind are the foundation upon which all other successes are built. Stress management techniques such as mindfulness, exercise, and relaxation can enhance our focus, productivity, and overall well-being. Networking and building connections are instrumental in expanding our opportunities and opening doors to new possibilities. Building a strong support system of like-minded individuals can provide invaluable guidance, encouragement, and opportunities for collaboration. In our digital age, technology and tools play an increasingly important role in achieving success. From productivity apps to online courses, leveraging technology can streamline our workflows and enhance our skills. Continual improvement and lifelong learning are essential for sustained success. Embracing a growth mindset and seeking out opportunities for personal and professional development ensure that we stay relevant and adaptable in an ever-evolving world. Creativity and innovation are catalysts for success. They enable us to think outside the box, find novel solutions to problems, and create value in new ways. Financial planning and management are crucial aspects of long-term success. By budgeting, saving, and investing wisely, we can secure our financial future and create a solid foundation for achieving our goals. Understanding the global perspective on success helps us navigate diverse cultures and environments. It broadens our understanding of success beyond individual achievements and fosters empathy and collaboration on a global scale. Cultural influences shape our definitions and perceptions of success. By embracing cultural diversity and understanding different perspectives, we can cultivate a more inclusive and nuanced understanding of success. Ethics and integrity are essential principles in the pursuit of success. Upholding ethical standards and acting with integrity build trust, credibility, and long-term success. Environmental consciousness is increasingly intertwined with modern success stories. Adopting sustainable practices and minimizing our environmental footprint not only benefit the planet but also enhance our reputation and attract socially conscious consumers and partners. Teamwork and collaboration are essential for tackling complex challenges and achieving ambitious goals. By fostering a culture of collaboration and mutual support, we can harness the collective intelligence and creativity of diverse teams. Leadership skills are crucial for driving success, whether leading a team, a project, or an organization. Effective leaders inspire and motivate others, cultivate a shared vision, and navigate challenges with confidence and resilience. Entrepreneurial skills are invaluable for those embarking on ventures of their own. From identifying opportunities to managing risks and making strategic decisions, entrepreneurial skills are essential for turning dreams into reality. Personal branding is a powerful tool for success in today's competitive landscape. By defining and communicating our unique value proposition, we can stand out from the crowd and attract opportunities that align with our goals and values. Maintaining motivation over the long haul requires resilience and self-discipline. By setting short-term milestones, celebrating achievements, and staying connected to our purpose, we can sustain our motivation and momentum. Dealing with criticism and negative feedback is part of the journey towards success. By adopting a growth mindset and viewing feedback as an opportunity for growth and improvement, we can turn criticism into constructive insights. Patience is a virtue in the pursuit of long-term success. Success rarely happens overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and patience. By staying focused on our goals and trusting the process, we can weather the inevitable ups and downs of the journey. Celebrating small wins along the way is essential for maintaining motivation and momentum. By acknowledging and rewarding our progress, we can stay motivated and inspired to continue pursuing our goals. Digital literacy is essential in today's digital world. From navigating online platforms to leveraging digital tools for productivity and communication, digital literacy skills are essential for success in the modern era. Social media plays a significant role in shaping perceptions of success. By curating an authentic and engaging online presence, we can build credibility, expand our network, and attract opportunities aligned with our goals. Creating a supportive environment is crucial for success. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences, seeking out mentors and allies, and cultivating a culture of mutual support and encouragement can help us thrive and succeed. Effective decision-making is a hallmark of successful individuals and organizations. By gathering information, weighing options, and considering potential outcomes, we can make informed decisions that align with our goals and values. Dealing with pressure and high-stress situations requires resilience and coping strategies. Whether it's through stress management techniques, support from our network, or professional help, finding effective ways to manage stress is essential for maintaining our performance and well-being. Resilience is key to overcoming setbacks and failures. By cultivating resilience, we can bounce back from challenges, learn from our experiences, and continue our journey towards success with renewed determination. Harnessing our passions towards successful outcomes involves aligning our interests and strengths with our goals. By pursuing passions that resonate with our values and aspirations, we can achieve greater fulfillment and success. Balancing risk and reward is a critical aspect of decision-making. By assessing the potential benefits and risks of our actions, we can make strategic choices that maximize our chances of success while minimizing potential downsides. Self-awareness and self-reflection are essential for personal growth and success. By understanding our strengths, weaknesses, and values, we can make informed decisions, improve our performance, and align our actions with our goals. Planning for retirement is an important aspect of success planning. By setting aside resources and planning for the future, we can ensure financial security and peace of mind in our later years. As we conclude, integrating these elements into a personal plan for success involves reflection, action, and commitment. By applying these principles and strategies, we can pave a path towards achieving our personal and professional goals, and ultimately, crafting a fulfilling and successful life.